kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, and welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel on today. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video, for I appreciate each and every one of you. So today you all, we're going to be doing some modern styling here. We're going to be doing some modern styling on this coffee table. This coffee table I have had for about a couple of years, I believe. And I'm thinking of maybe switching it out for something else. But for now, we're just going to focus on it being in the space and giving it a modern look with the decor pieces I'm going to be adding here today. So the first thing you must do with your space is you must make sure that it is clean. So I will be adding this beautiful round gold tray on the table. And that is going to be the base for my modern styling on this coffee table. I just love the gold accents, but I think today we're going to be mixing metals and mixing colors and patterns a little bit here. So we're going to start by adding this cozy white cottage decor book. It has some beautiful ideas throughout this book, and I do believe I did pick this up from Home Goods a couple of years back. So everything that I am using in this space today to create this modern style coffee table, I've already had it. I did pull it from my stash. So nothing is new here. Everything I am pulling from my stash and shopping my home. This is a beautiful vase here. It has a smooth texture, and as you can see, it has somewhat of like a boho look here. So I thought it would be perfect to go on top of this decor book that I am using here in trying to create a modern look on this coffee table. So I am going to come through with the greenery because I want the greenery to be able to pour out of the base, should I say. And I think that's going to give it a cohesive look here. And it's going to give it a little bit of contrast throughout this modern style that I am creating here on today. So my goal is to insert the greenery and to ensure that the greenery is spreading around throughout this beautiful boho styled vase that I am using. If you like the content so far, you like what you see so far, don't hesitate. Go ahead and click on that thumbs up so I know that you like what I am creating here on today. So as I'm adding the greenery here, I am looking at it more and I'm thinking, I think we really need to modernize this planter here by adding some color. So let's just sit back, relax, and wait and see if I add some color to this greenery. Now this is a cute little silver candle stand that I did pick up from Bath and Body Works probably a few months ago, and of course the Better Homes and Garden. I think that candle came from maybe Wally World. I think my husband got that from Wally World. But we're just going to add that candle inside this candle stand here, and it fits perfectly. And I know that we have the coffee table gold. We have the round tray there that's gold, and I'm adding some silver to it. Yes, I am mixing the colors, mixing the metals, and yeah, it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. And you can do this. You can mix your golds and your silvers together. As you guys can see looking on, it's absolutely beautiful and everything meshes really, really well together. So I'm going to add these decorative gold keys here. I think it looks so cute in the space. So yeah, you guys just continue to watch as I create this modern style coffee table. So since I am doing the black and white stripe and the green for the spring and summer, I decided to bring these cute little green candle holders in along with these green candles. And they are a tad bit darker than the greenery that is here, and that is okay. That is awesome because everything is going to mesh together. And we're gonna create something beautiful here today. Y'all just sit back, y'all just watch and see. So those green candle tapered candles along with the green candle stands work perfectly in the space. Don't y'all just hate it when you put your tapered candles in a candle stand and they just want to lean? They want to lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it. They just want to stay straight. So I know y'all saw that one kind of tilt forward, but that's okay because I'm gonna go back and I'm going to fix it. Now, this little gadget here I've had for 3 years. It has matches in it, and that black strip there, I'm supposed to strike that match on it and it's supposed to work. Now I'm taking my little stopper out to be able to get the match out, and it's supposed to ignite, y'all. But let's see, because I've had this for over 3 years. I used it once and it's when I first got it. So let's see if it's going to work for me or if it's going to be a total fail. I think you're supposed to use these kind of like right away, or if not, you know, they're going to get weak or whatever the case may be. But let's see if we're going to be able to make this thing work, because whoever invented this was a great idea. But let's see if it's going to work. So y'all, I don't know if y'all just saw that, but the match, it broke. So I was like, okay, maybe it's the match. Maybe it's the match. Let me try it again. Let me just pull out another one to see if it's going to work, and let's see. Or maybe I have to call Mr. Smith because maybe I don't have enough strength. But the matches are kind of soft, you guys. They are soft. And then this little striker here is not working. So hey, I'm trying it a second time. But unfortunately, you guys, it did not work. That match broke and it's not working against the strip. So guess what? We're going to have to just discard this and just throw it away and just go back to what we know best. Let's add a little bit of black decor to the coffee table, and I chose to use these 2 black jack stones here. They're matte in color, like a matte black, and so I had a set of them, so I wanted to utilize them in the space. Now I also have these tools for the candles. I use those faithfully, so we're going to add them to the space too. So when you light your candle and you have it burning, instead of just blowing it out and all of the smoke and all of the soot is going all over the place, all you have to do is just use your little gadget, put it over the fire or the light, and it just quickly goes out, so you don't have all of that unnecessary stuff in the air. So yeah, let's light it. Okay, y'all, this is back to the old school, the lighter. We're gonna light it this way instead of trying to strike a match. That was a complete fail, you guys. But anyway, if you were to purchase that, you need to use them right away. We are here, you guys. We are here at the reveal. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's see how our modern style coffee table turned out. Y'all, it looks beautiful, and I did decide to add some color to this arrangement, and I think it is perfect for the space. Just look at the couch, look at the pillows on the couch. Everything is just absolutely gorgeous together. And yes, I mixed the silvers and the golds with the blacks and the browns and the greens together. And y'all, it looks really nice. And I hope that I was able to inspire someone throughout this video, and also to motivate you to maybe spruce up your coffee table a little bit, or your end tables or side tables. Whatever table you want to decorate, just give it a look. And before you go shopping, shop your home first to see what you have, because you can use something from one space to put into another space and make it look elegant and beautiful and modern, as I have done here. And as you guys can see, I did rearrange the keys. I did change them from the space they were in. So because I added that cute little Western style boot there in the space. So you guys, I like it. And I hope you guys like it too. And please, if you do like this kind of content and you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. And also, if you did enjoy this video, if you like how my modern coffee table styling turned out, or if you like the way I have styled my couch here, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all of your support. And with that being said, At Home with Lisa Lisa is going to sign off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next. Thank you all so much for watching.
We at home with Lisa Lisa.